If you live in Washington, D.C., upgrading your home's windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make. Not only does it enhance the curb appeal of your property, but it also boosts energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. While DIY window replacement might seem like an option to save money, hiring a professional window replacement service offers far greater benefits for homeowners. Here's why choosing professional residential window replacement in Washington, D.C. is a smart investment. Expert installation and superior results. One of the most important reasons to hire a professional for your window replacement is the expertise they bring. Proper window installation is crucial for ensuring that your windows perform well and last for years to come. Professional window installers have the training, tools, and experience necessary to install windows correctly and efficiently, avoiding common issues like air leaks, improper alignment, and poor sealing. Correct fit. Professionals will make sure that your windows are the right size and fit perfectly into the existing frames, preventing drafts and ensuring proper insulation. Advanced techniques. Professionals are familiar with the latest installation techniques that optimize window performance and longevity. They know how to handle complex installation tasks, such as replacing older window types with modern, energy-efficient options. Choosing professional installers ensures that your windows will be installed to the highest standards, providing maximum value and performance. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. In a city like Washington, D.C., where temperatures can vary significantly between the hot, humid summers and cold winters, energy efficiency is a top priority. Old, inefficient windows are one of the leading causes of heat loss and drafts in homes. A professional window replacement service can upgrade your windows to energy-efficient models, helping you keep your home comfortable year-round while also lowering your utility bills. Insulated glass. Many modern windows feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gases like argon or krypton. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Weatherproofing. Professional installers also ensure that your windows are properly sealed, preventing drafts and ensuring that your home's temperature remains stable. This improves your home's overall energy efficiency and reduces the strain on your HVAC system. Investing in energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in your energy costs and provide long-term savings. Enhanced home security. Your windows are one of the most vulnerable points of entry for intruders, and old or poorly installed windows can compromise the security of your home. Professional window replacement ensures that your new windows come with enhanced security features that make it much harder for burglars to break in. Stronger materials. Modern windows are often made from durable materials like fiberglass or composite materials, which are much harder to break than traditional wooden frames. Advanced locking systems. Professional installers can equip your windows with multi-point locks, which secure the window at several points along the frame. This makes it much harder for intruders to force the window open. Impact-resistant glass. If you live in a high-crime area or want to add an extra layer of protection, consider impact-resistant glass windows. These windows are designed to withstand force and prevent break-ins. Replacing your windows with professionally installed, secure models ensures that your home is better protected from unauthorized entry. Increased home value. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or are thinking about selling, window replacement adds significant value to your property. Curb appeal is one of the first things potential buyers notice, and windows play a big role in creating a welcoming exterior. Aesthetic appeal. New windows can give your home a modern, refreshed look. With a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to choose from, you can select windows that complement your home's architecture and increase its visual appeal. Buyer interest. Buyers are often drawn to homes with updated windows that are energy efficient and secure. Homes with new windows tend to sell faster and at higher prices than homes with outdated or poorly maintained windows. By investing in professional window replacement, you're not only enhancing your home's comfort and security but also increasing its market value. Noise reduction and comfort. Living in a busy city like Washington, D.C., means you're likely exposed to a variety of external noises, whether it's traffic, construction, or urban life. If noise is a concern for you, upgrading your windows to soundproof or noise-reducing models can make a huge difference. Professional window replacement services can install double or triple pane windows that help absorb sound, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. This is especially beneficial if your home is near a busy street or a commercial area where noise levels can be disruptive. With proper installation, soundproof windows reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home, allowing for a more comfortable living space. Long-term durability and minimal maintenance. Old windows can be a hassle to maintain. Wooden windows may need frequent painting, and older models often require regular repairs due to wear and tear. Professional window replacement not only improves the aesthetic and performance of your windows but also provides long-term durability. Low-maintenance materials. Many modern windows are made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which require little upkeep. These materials resist weathering, fading, and rotting, meaning your windows will continue to perform well without requiring constant care. Warranty protection. Many professional window installation services come with a warranty that covers defects in both materials and installation. This gives you added peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected for years to come. Conclusion. Professional residential window replacement in Washington, D.C. offers numerous benefits, from energy savings and enhanced security to increased home value and improved comfort. Whether you're upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, improving your home's curb appeal, or enhancing your family's safety, professional window installation is a smart investment that provides lasting value. The expertise and quality of a professional installation ensure that your windows perform at their best, offering comfort and security for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your home, professional window replacement is the way to go.